Understanding a few basic principles about your body will help you in the healing process. Now, you're probably here because of pain, but it's essential for you to understand that pain itself is not your problem, but rather the result of a problem. Pain can be compared to a fire or smoke detector in your home. For example, a warning light or buzzer may tell us of pending danger, but the warning is not the actual problem, just as pain is not. That's why pain medication doesn't fix a problem, but rather masks a problem by turning off your body's natural warning system. It's important to understand that in a chronic case where there's been no major trauma, pain is usually the last thing to appear and not the first. Your body, like those smoke detectors, doesn't show symptoms until the real problem gets bad enough. And unfortunately, in some cases, this process has been going on for a very long time. Now, this is true for heart disease, cancer, and every other major ailment, including spinal nerve problems. While pain is usually the last thing to appear, it's the first thing to go away. That's why the goal in this office is not to merely get rid of the pain, but to actually correct the underlying problem to the best of your body's ability. Now, your doctor doesn't want to patch up the problem only to find out it comes back worse the next time. If you're looking for short-term, temporary relief, then painkillers might be a quicker and, in the short run, a cheaper way than correcting it. However, masking a problem not only doesn't correct the problem, but puts you at serious risk of making it worse. So if you're accepted for care, please follow through with your doctor's recommendations. And like hundreds before you, you'll be glad you did. Making a change in the human body requires two things: time and effort. This is where the doctor-patient relationship really comes into play. It's a team effort. Things like following instructions and keeping appointments will be vital to your outcome. Now, in a moment, your doctor will talk about the subluxation. Sub meaning partial, luxation meaning out of place. It's actually the name for a condition often referred to as a pinched nerve. It's important for you to understand that nerves control everything in your body, and subluxation alters nerve impulse. A conceptual analogy would be turning a rheostat to dim a light bulb. When nerve flow is interrupted because of a subluxated vertebra, one can suffer from musculoskeletal problems like back pain, neck and shoulder pain, migraines, numbness and tingling in the hands and feet, as well as problems with internal organs. The subluxation can also cause premature wear and tear to a disc, referred to as degeneration or arthritis. Now, this weakening of the disc is a precursor for disc herniation in the future. And the only way a subluxation can be corrected is by a chiropractic adjustment, a process by which a chiropractor gently moves the bone with their hands or an adjusting instrument, with each adjustment moving the bone only slightly back toward its normal position. Please understand that chiropractic care is the safest form of health care there is, and your doctor is specifically trained in this area, so please relax. It's important for you to know that here, only those that the doctor feels can truly benefit from care are accepted as patients. And if you are accepted for care, be assured that you will never be asked to make visits to this office that aren't necessary, accept care that isn't necessary, or spend money that isn't necessary, as your doctor is as concerned with the cost of health care as you are. However, your most important contribution to the healing process will be your commitment to getting well and not just out of pain. And that will require you to follow your doctor's recommendations for care. On behalf of your doctor and the staff, I want to thank you in advance for your trust and confidence. They look forward to partnering with you in taking care of this wonderful and miraculous gift we call the human body. Your doctor will be with you in just a moment.